Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, recently I crossed over from USA to Canada using Peace Bridge at Fort Erie, Ontario, Canada, and of course Buffalo, New York, USA. So I'm gonna describe the process, what happened to me, also I'm gonna show you the footage. So right now you are seeing that I'm crossing this Buffalo downtown. Like, if you follow those road signs and if you have map, you don't need to worry about at all. It's excellent. It's going to show you the exact exit that you have to take, but you got to be careful. Like, one way takes you to Canada, other does not. Okay, so make sure you follow the signs very carefully. All right, yeah, see this Peace Bridge Fort Erie exit only, and this Peace Bridge Niagara Street. So now we are entering Peace Bridge to Canada. You see, it just passed. So just follow this. Excellent. Keep following it. No need to worry about anything. Canada Peace Bridge border. Yes, and it will give you the indication that for Canada you need to take which exit. Canada Peace Bridge. You see, we pass. Now here two lanes you will see open all the way to across the Canada, and by the moment you cross the mid of the bridge, you are gonna hear "Welcome to Canada" on your phone. If you have turned the map on, you see there's Canada board. There's duty free, but again I did not stop. I did not want to. And you're not supposed to stop on this bridge, okay? So don't do that. If you have in plan, you see a lot of cars have stopped there in duty free. Of course they wanted to purchase, but I did not want to. So keep moving. Speed limits are written, just follow it. You don't want to do anything fancy at an international border. On the other side you are seeing a lot of cars queued. So basically those cars were coming from Canada to USA. It was Sunday, and I was amazed that from Canada to USA, much higher traffic was flowing in. You see, there's a green sign to use the lane. So always follow the lane. Don't enter into an incorrect lane. You could be in a great trouble because right now we are at no man's land. Okay, just we are moving forward. Just follow it. Okay, and almost there. We are in. By this time, you are already in Canada. Okay, and by this time we already got the notification on our phone that welcome to Canada. Make sure you have all the documents. If you have purchased anything in USA, you have the receipts, and you have to be very honest and careful when you answer questions to an immigration officer because they are doing their job to protect the nation. So you have to follow their instructions. There is no compromise if and buts there. Almost okay. Now you see there are like 15 gates, but not all gates remain open at times. So you can go to any gate that is open, and you can join the queue. It's not advisable that you frequently change your queue, that you may find one queue is moving slowly, another queue. So I did not want to hold you all the way till the waiting, but it took like um, 20 minutes for me to reach here. Now here the officer opened. She asked for passports. I handed over the passports, and then she asked some questions to me. Okay, I paused the video so that I can tell you the questions that were asked to me. So the very first question: how long have you been away? I said 4 nights. Where do we live? I told her my city name, and she asked me where did I go in USA. I told where did I go. She asked for the purpose, that also I described. Then she started asking questions related to custom. Is there anything in the car we purchased in USA? I honestly said yes. I also told from where I purchased. She asked its value in Canadian currency. I had receipts, but instead of handing over the receipts because she hadn't asked yet, I told her the value. She listened, she did something in the system, she handed our passports back, and she said, okay, have a great day ahead. So we moved, and immediately you cross, you're gonna see, you're gonna enter Queen Elizabeth. Okay, so here, if you have easy pass that you get in USA, you can go through it, otherwise, you have to pay. So you can see I'm at the station number 6. Yeah, so here you need to tap your card. I think it's 11 Canadian dollars you need to pay, in order to use. And once you are through it, you are all good to go. So you'll see, and these are not manned gates, okay, these are automated gates, and you have to wait and show some patience also. This moves very quickly, no doubt. I'm just yeah, see that truck has gone. Now it's my turn. There's a tap machine on the left. Just tap it. If you want to sit, take it. If you don't want, still that is fine, and keep moving on the way. So this is how it works, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this, and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.